Hi everyone, I am Amit and you are watching my channel Information and Educational Videos. In this video, I will discuss the branch-wise and category-wise cutoff for NIT Durgapur. It is one of the best NIT of India. Here I will discuss home state as well as other state cutoff of NIT Durgapur. So watch this video till the end to get all the information related to branch wise and category wise cutoff of this NIT clearly, and I'm sure if you watch this video till the end you will get a complete idea of cutoff trend of NIT Durgapur. So before starting this video, I would like to introduce my channel Information Educational Videos. Here you will get all you need to know about a particular college and exam, such as college review, exam pattern and many more. So if you are first to my channel, do subscribe so that you can get all the information in future, and do share to your friends so that they can also get this information. And if you have any doubt, do ask in the comment section. And for videos such as highest package, average package, fee structure of top 10 IIT, top 10 GFTI, top 10 NIT, check the I button or the description box. So let us start with the today's topic. Here is the cutoff for this NIT. For computer science engineering, for general category other state cutoff goes to 9,000, for home state cutoff goes to 17,000. For OBC category other state cutoff goes to 2,600, and for home state cutoff goes to 13,700. For SC category the cutoff goes to 1,400 for other state and 2,600 for home state. For ST category the home state cutoff goes to 745, and for other state the cutoff goes to 745, and for home state the cutoff goes to almost 2,000. And for EWS category the other state cutoff goes to 1,100, and for home state the cutoff goes to 5,100. Now talk about the EC branch. For other state general category the cutoff goes to 13,000, for home state the cutoff goes to almost 22,000, and for OBC category the cutoff is 4,000 for other state and 19,000 for home state. For SC category the other state cutoff is 2,500, and for home state the cutoff is 3,700. For ST category the cutoff is 1,200 for other state, and for home state the cutoff is 6,100. For EWS category the other state cutoff goes to 1,600, and for home state the cutoff is 5,400. Now talk about the electrical engineering. The other state cutoff for general category goes to almost 17,000. For home state the cutoff goes to 26,000. For OBC category other state 5,400, and for home state the cutoff is 23,000. For SC category the other state cutoff is 3,100, and for home state the cutoff is 4,400. For ST category the other state cutoff is 1,200, and for home state the cutoff is 6,500. For EWS category the other state cutoff is 2,000, and for home state cutoff is 10,400. Now talk about mechanical engineering branch. General category other state cutoff goes to 20,000. For home state the cutoff is 34,000, and for other state OBC the cutoff is 6,100, and for home state the cutoff is 28,000. For SC category the other state cutoff goes to 3,400, and for home state the cutoff goes to 5,600. ST category other state cutoff goes to 1,300, and for Home State, the cutoff is 5200. Now the EWS category, other state cutoff is 2600, and for home state cutoff is 7700. Now talk about civil engineering branch. For general other state, the cutoff goes to 27,000. For home state, the cutoff is 42,000. For OBC category, the cutoff for other state goes to 7800, and for home state the cutoff is 38,000. Now SC category, for other state the cutoff is almost 4000, and home state cutoff goes to 6800. And ST category, the other state cutoff goes to 1000, and the home state cutoff goes to 7600. For EWS category, the cutoff goes to 3400 for other state, and home state cutoff goes to 11,000. Now talk about the chemical engineering branch. For other state, cutoff goes to 28,000, and home state the cutoff is 36,500. And for OBC category, the other state cutoff goes to 8800. For home state the cutoff goes to almost 40,000. Now SC category, the other state cutoff goes to 5200, and for home state the cutoff goes to 6500. For ST category, the home state cutoff goes to 1873, and for home state the cutoff goes to 7600. And for EWS category, the cutoff is 3700 for other state, and for home state the cutoff goes to 8500. Now talk about the BTech metallurgical and material engineering. The cutoff for other state goes to almost 38,000, and for home state the cutoff is almost 44,000. For OBC category, the cutoff is 11,000 for other state, and for home state the cutoff is almost 48,000. Now SC category, the cutoff for other state goes to 6400, and for home state the cutoff is 8600. For SC category, the home state cutoff is 2300, and for other state cutoff is 7500. For EWS category, other state cutoff is 4800, and home state cutoff is 11,825. And now talk about the biotechnology branch. The general other state cutoff goes to 40,900, and for home state the cutoff is 47,800, and for OBC category, other state cutoff goes to 13,000, and home state cutoff goes to 48,000. For SC category, the other state cutoff is 7,000, and home state cutoff is 9200, and SC category, the home state cutoff goes to 3,000, and for home state the cutoff is 11,000. Now for EWS category, here wherever the opening and closing rank is same, that means that category is not reserved in that branch. So here for EWS category there is no reserved seat for biotechnology, and also in the case of metallurgical engineering there is no seat reserved for EWS category. So wherever the opening and closing rank is same, that means that branch and that category is not reserved in that college.